Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Carlos and we like to play with paint. So I probably will upload the video right before this one. It was a yeah, it was horrible, but as you can tell, a lot of the colors got really mixed up, got really ugly. But you know what, it's a opportunity to, I don't want to say learn what not to do, but it's an opportunity to learn what not to do. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just move on from that. We are going to make another attempt to make that green, purple, and yellow bloom thingy. It was pretty dope, orchid, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we're just gonna go and do that. So we're gonna lay down our yellow paint right there. We're just gonna sprinkle some of this magenta. Don't know why. That's why, because there's the violet. I'm gonna add some of the violet right in there. Last time, because we did not have enough paint, I'm going to make sure we have enough paint. Watch us not have enough paint. Oh no! Looks like I am running out of this color, ladies and gentlemen. It's alright. These little bottles, they're a 2-pack for $1 at the Dollar Tree, but they come in pretty handy. I don't have to mess with the big bottles, which I have sitting over there at the table, and I just refill these every time they go empty. And yeah, simple enough. And now we're gonna add some of that green, just a little bit though, just a little bit, un poquito. We're gonna add some of this bright yellow, see if that doesn't make things a little bit more funky. Alright, so we're gonna add our black right there, and just to ensure that we get somewhat decent coverage, I'm gonna just go ahead and pour some of this this Flow Acrylic paint all the way around it. That way the other paint has something to glide on or to mix with. I might be messing it up, I don't know, but you know what, we're about to find out. Alright, so I'm going to blow it out, we're going to spin it out, and we're going to rock and roll. Oof, oof, oof. Whoa, shit. I got paint all over me. Crap. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, oh, that's just delicious. That is just delicious. We're gonna go ahead and do a close-up of this right now. Ooh, not that far back. Come on, buddy. Check that stuff out, ladies and gentlemen. That's pretty. That's pretty. I almost don't want to spin it out, but you know what? I'm gonna. It is what it is. So forgive me if you watched just up until this point. That's what I made. In fact, everybody click off right now, because I'm probably gonna destroy it. So thank you guys for watching. Now I'm gonna spin it. Take a picture of that first. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, like a dummy, I forgot to hit record. But anyways, I just got done spinning it, and I mean, it's funky. I like the previous right before I spun it, but I mean, this looks pretty dope too. Let's get a quick little zoom in. Nope, gotta move the whole camera. Alright, I'm just gonna bring you in for a close-up, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, steady hand, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the spun out version of the previous, I don't know what the hell I'm saying. You know, I forgot to hit record when I spun it, and I realized right when I had stopped. But I mean, this in its own little way is kind of dope. The way some of this blends right there, there's a lot of that purple, that magenta, and that yellow right there. You know, you can see the transparency of these colors right here. The purple, you can see some of the, oh my god, I can't talk. You see that waviness right there, right under that purple that goes like that. That's just pretty, sorry, that's pretty dope. So yeah, I'm gonna take a quick trip around the block and see what's up. That's fiery. I like it. Okay, so I don't know. You're gonna have to let me know in the comment section if I made a mistake by spinning it out. I dug the way it looked before, but the more I look at this, the more I'm thinking like, shit, this is pretty I'm sorry, I'm thinking this is pretty dope. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, like the video. If you like the video, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Should I have left it alone, or was I okay to spin it out? Yeah, that's pretty dope. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, make sure to share with all your friends, make sure to let me know where you guys are watching from. I know there's been a few new people that have subscribed. Hello, new people. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I'm learning. I'm a noob. So, yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you in the next one. Alright, look at that. I like it. Zoom in, sucker. Nice.